Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to our weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I will teach you and show you the transitions for your one step. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Before I start, there are one transitions that I will recommend you guys to master, which is the one step to the reverse one step. So if you already can get those moves down, now let's start with the transitions. Now the first transitions, we're going to do the one step to the reverse one step to 4 rocks. One step to reverse one step, okay? Now you can see that when I do the reverse one step, my left leg keeps swinging. So make sure your left leg keeps swinging until you put your right knee down, followed by your right thigh and followed by your upper body. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the example. Swing, swing. Look at my right knee. Now my left leg keeps swinging. I just put my right knee down. Now it's already on my right thigh. I'm going to keep going down until my upper body is on the ground. And I'm going to do the floor rocks. For the second transitions, we're going to include a thread, okay? Again, same thing, we're going to do one step and then to the reverse one step. One step to the reverse one step. Now keep swinging until your left leg is doing the reverse hook to your left hand. And for those who don't know how reverse hook looks, it looks something like this. Okay? Again, I'm going to start from the top. One step, reverse one step, and reverse hook. Alright, now my right leg is going to go out. Okay, for this part here, there are two options. You can either put your butt down like this, or you can keep your butt up. So I would just recommend whichever feels comfortable for you, because everyone has their own posture, everyone has their own flexibility, so just make sure whichever pose that are comfortable for you, just go for it. Starting from this part, you can see that my left hand is open, my right leg is straight. Now I'm gonna pull my right leg back, and I want to make sure that my right foot is grabbed by my left hand like this. Okay, one more time. Pull and grab. From here, we can start doing the thread. From the top. For the last transitions, I think this is the most underrated transitions in breaking. The reason I say this because I feel, okay, personally, a lot of people think that this move or this transition is not as important as it seems. But to me, I think this is the foundation of the transitions in breaking. So the transition I'm talking about is the one step to baby freeze. Okay, yes, I know it sounds simple, but I feel that this is the move that really helps you to build up your body strength, especially your upper body strength, and also this is a move that prepare you for a lot of moves such as power move. In order to learn this move, if you are starting swinging your leg with your right leg like me, you want to freeze with your left hand, okay? Not the other way around. If you're right leg and you freeze with your right hand, you'll still be able to do that, but it just won't have that impact or that dynamic. Alright? Vice versa, if you are swinging with your left leg, then you want to freeze with your right hand. Like I said earlier, I'm swinging with my right leg, so I will freeze with my left hand. This is a no-no where I said if you are swinging your right leg, you freeze with your right hand. You can see you still be able to do that, but it just won't have that dynamic or impact compared if you freeze with your left hand. That's it. I just showed you guys a few transitions for your one step. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like it. If you have any questions regarding those moves, just let me know in the comment section below. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.